Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a form using GetResponse and connect it to WordPress. First, let me tell you what is GetResponse. GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help businesses with email marketing, automation, and customer engagement. It offers features like pre-built email templates, audience segmentation, autoresponders, and landing page creation. Users can automate workflows based on customer actions, host webinars, and create targeted campaigns for e-commerce. GetResponse also includes analytics, CRM integration, and third-party tool connections. Overall, it simplifies online marketing by combining email, automation, and engagement tools into one platform to help businesses grow and optimize their marketing efforts. Don't forget to try GetResponse for free by using the link provided in the description below. This is a great opportunity to explore its features and see how it can benefit your business. Don't miss out on this chance to enhance your marketing efforts. Now let me show you how to create a form using GetResponse. To create a form using GetResponse, first, sign up for an account using the link in the description. Once your account is created, you'll be redirected to the dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all activities. Pay close attention to the menu on the left side as it contains various options such as creating newsletters, landing pages, autoresponders, and more. For this tutorial, we'll focus specifically on creating a form, so locate and click on Create Form or Pop-up. After clicking on the form creation option, you'll be directed to a new page. Give it a moment to load fully and you'll see various display options for your message, including pop-ups, promo bars, sign-up forms, and download prompts. You also have the option to embed the form directly onto a web page. For the purpose of this example, let's select Embed on a page and then click Next. On the next page, you will be able to choose from a variety of templates. GetResponse offers a diverse selection of free templates that cater to different styles and purposes. Scroll through the available options until you find one that resonates with you. You can preview a template by clicking Full Preview. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click Use Template. Now you'll be taken to the Form Editor page, where you can personalize your form to align with your brand. To change existing text, simply click on it. If you want to add new text, click on the plus icon in the top right corner, then drag the text box to your desired location on the page. You can customize the font style, size, and color from the right-hand menu. To modify the background image, click on the current image and select Replace. Choose a new image that complements your form's purpose. You can even enhance your form with videos by clicking Add Video and embedding a video from YouTube or another source relevant to your message. GetResponse allows you to incorporate various elements to make your form more engaging. For instance, if you want to create urgency, you can add a timer by clicking on the timer icon and adjusting its settings in the right-hand menu. Including promo codes can also incentivize sign-ups or purchases. You can easily integrate contact forms to gather more information from your users. Once you've made all your desired edits, it's essential to preview your form. Click on the Preview button to see both the form itself and the thank you page that users will see after submission. This step ensures that everything looks and functions as intended. After confirming that everything is in order, click Next in the top right corner. On the final page, you'll need to either enter a URL for where you'd like to place the form or copy the embed code to add it to your website manually. GetResponse seamlessly integrates with platforms like WordPress, making it easy to implement. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Save and Publish. Now let's talk about form integration with WordPress. GetResponse form integration with WordPress allows you to collect leads directly from your website. You can create customizable forms, including inline and pop-up options tailored to your needs. The process is straightforward, using HTML code for easy embedding in various placements on your site. The forms are responsive, adapting to different device sizes, and you can monitor performance through analytics and tracking features. Integration with other GetResponse tools enhances functionality, while styling options let you customize the appearance to match your branding. The interface is user-friendly, making setup and management simple. Let's move to the steps of integrating GetResponse with WordPress. First of all, go back to the dashboard and click on Tools at the top, then select Integrations and API. Next, click on API and then on Generate API Key. Enter a name for your API and click Generate. Your API key will now be created. Now, return to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Pages and then select All Pages. Locate the page with the contact form you want to edit. I'll be using Elementor to make changes, so I'll click to edit the page with Elementor. Here, I'll select the form I previously created. From the left menu, click on Actions after Submit, then click the plus icon. Search for GetResponse and select it from the options. After adding GetResponse, you'll see another menu for it at the bottom. Click on that and set the API option to Custom. Now, paste your API that you have copied from GetResponse. Next, select your account list and proceed with the configuration. Leave the day of cycle as it is, and for field mapping, set email to email and name to name. Finally, click the Publish button. Now, GetResponse is now successfully integrated with your WordPress website, enhancing your online presence and enabling seamless communication with your audience. This integration allows you to effortlessly manage your email marketing campaigns, capture leads through customizable forms, and automate your marketing processes directly from your WordPress dashboard. With this powerful combination, you can easily track your website's performance, analyze visitor behavior, and tailor your marketing strategies to better engage your audience. Additionally, the integration supports a variety of features, such as newsletters, landing pages, and marketing automation workflows, providing you with the tools necessary to grow your business effectively. Overall, this collaboration between GetResponse and your WordPress site opens up a world of possibilities for optimizing your digital marketing efforts and driving conversions. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore all the features available at GetResponse. It's a great way to enhance your marketing efforts, streamline your communication, and grow your audience. I encourage you to take the plunge and try it out for yourself. You can start using it for free by clicking the link in the description below. Dive in and discover how GetResponse can transform your approach to online marketing.